This video isn't filmed with a camera crew. It's not CGI and it's not deepfake. What you're looking at is an AI avatar generated from just a single image, and trust me, this is about to blow your mind.
This isn't CGI. It's not deepfake. It's not a real person. This is Aurora, generated from just one image. And it's about to change everything you thought you knew about AI avatars.
AI avatars and product ad videos just like these ones are going viral.
Researchers waste 2 hours a day just switching between tabs and copying links.
But they normally take full teams of animators, days of rendering, and a lot of manual work to pull off. But after hours and hours of testing, failing, and searching for ways to make it work, I found a way to recreate that exact same style in just a few minutes and using only one single tool. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can make viral UGC ads and impressive product ad videos yourself without needing a huge team, endless hours spent in 3D tools, and without needing any prior experience at all. The app that finally allowed me to create viral trending videos is called Creatify, and it's the exact app we'll be using today. If you want to follow along, I've left a link in the description below so you can try it out while creating your own video alongside me. When you sign in, you will land on a homepage that looks just like this. And the first place we're going to head to is the top section up here where it says Aurora Avatar. Next, we land on this page here where we can upload a photo or choose an avatar from the built-in library. This is where the fun starts. All you need is a single image. It could be a photo of yourself, your client, or even a product demo shot. Once uploaded, Creatify instantly transforms that image into a talking, moving, ultra-realistic avatar. On the right side, you will see the script box. This is where you either paste in your text or simply upload an audio file if you already have a voice recording. The avatar will then sync perfectly with your words, creating a natural-looking video. Below that, you can pick from a wide selection of AI voices, each with different tones and styles, or even fine-tune the voice model to match the exact energy you want for your video. And if you want to take this even further, you can open the additional settings at the bottom. Here you can describe and control things like cinematic framing, lighting style, hand gestures, and even more, giving your avatar that high-end professional finish that normally takes hours in editing software. Finally, when everything looks ready, just hit the create video button at the bottom, and in seconds you will have a fully generated AI avatar video ready to share. Later in the video, I will also show you how to easily create viral product ads using a single image or just a link to the product, and the AI takes care of the rest. But before that, let me show you how I create my viral UGC and realistic avatars. I will also show you a trick on how to add your products to the video the right way without the typical mistakes AI tends to do. Let's start using the realistic models from the avatar library. Now, once inside the avatar library, you can see just how many options there are. You can filter by gender, age, industry, and even different environments and styles depending on the look you want for your video.
Allow me to deliver your message using my unique tone to your audience.
For this video, I'm going to pick this one named Arya. She comes with several different styles, like inside a car, bedroom, living room, or kitchen. And this is one of my favorite parts. You don't just get one static avatar, you actually get multiple variations of the same person in different outfits, different lighting, and different settings. This is huge because it allows you to reuse the same avatar across multiple videos, creating consistency and building familiarity and trust with your audience. Think about it. Instead of introducing a completely new avatar or model every time, you can stick with one that your viewers already recognize, almost like having your own digital spokesperson. For this video, I will go ahead and choose Arya in the kitchen. It feels natural, casual, and perfect for a UGC style ad. Now, if you don't want to write the script manually, you can use the AI script writer inside Creatify or use something like ChatGPT if you prefer that. Here you have the option to change the script style. I picked the storytelling angle and asked for a script about yellow rubber boots for kids with a 3D dinosaur design. And within seconds, it generated a complete script I can use for my video. Right below that, you can pick from a wide selection of AI voices, each with different tones and styles. And here is one of my favorite parts. You can actually turn on voice emotions, which adds subtle variations like excitement, warmth, or emphasis. It makes the avatar sound much more human and engaging, almost like a real person telling a story. For the voice, I will keep the default one for this avatar because it sounds great. However, if you want, you can change the speed, stability, clarity of the tone, and even the exaggeration of the speaking style. Once done, click on Create Video, and within minutes, your video will be ready.
So the other morning it was raining and my daughter Olivia was so excited to put on her yellow dinosaur boots. They've got these little 3D spikes and she was stomping around like a tiny T-Rex, splashing in every puddle. Before I knew it, other kids joined in and they all turned it into this big adventure. Honestly, it made a rainy day feel magical, and it's one of those memories I know we'll hold on to.
Now, you might wonder, what if we want to have the model hold the product or include it in the video? For this, we have two solutions. One is inside Creatify. Just click on Avatars on the left-hand side menu, then click on Create Avatar. Here you choose the option in the middle to design your own avatar. Next, fill in the basic info like male or female, young adult or senior, and the appearance of the model. Further down, you can pick the background, lighting style, and camera distance, giving you total control of the settings for your videos. And below that, we have the option to upload a product image to let our avatar showcase it in the video. Make sure you upload an image of your product against a white background for best results. For the gesture, we can have the product close to the chest of the avatar or held with one hand, just like this demo image. If you want to take it one step further, you can upload your own logo and put it on the shirt or on the cap of the AI model we're creating. Once done, click on Generate. Now, there is another way to do this, just like I mentioned before, and it's a little faster in my opinion with more accurate results. Using Nano Banana, also known as Gemini 2.5 Flash by Google, you can upload any image of your AI model together with the image of your product and write, "Make this girl hold this rubber boot." And we get this. Now we can go back to Creatify and upload this image together with our script and get something like this.
Okay, moms and dads, let's talk about these little rain boots. They're waterproof, they've got this super cute dinosaur. Like, come on, who doesn't want to stomp in puddles with a T-Rex on their feet? Wait, can we just stop for a second? This is wild. I'm literally holding a boot in my kitchen and you're watching this as an ad. And the craziest part, this was all made with AI. Like, seriously, this is amazing that you can do this now with AI, right? Make sure you use this opportunity. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to Snowball AI.
The reason I show you this is because inside Creatify you can create up to 3 avatars at a time, and sometimes you can get extra fingers or your product might not turn out perfect. However, combining Gemini 2.5 for adding the product and Creatify to turn the image of the model and product into a video will definitely solve that problem and make you even more effective. Now you can have the model hold the product however you want and then feed it back to the Aurora avatar tool, where we can turn any image into a video with a script and talking avatar. With that said, don't let that stop you from trying out the other tools inside Creatify as well. Remember that by combining the different AI tools, you can create even better videos and go viral. I created these hyper-real product ads using the VO3 ads option.
I'm going 40 miles an hour over a jungle, but real quick.
Here is how I did it. Click on VO3 ads and you should get to a page that looks exactly like this with a ton of templates. My favorite is the product promotion templates. Now pick one you like and then add an image of your product against a white background and click on generate video. It's as simple as that. Another thing is that inside Creatify you have the most advanced AI models all in one place. I uploaded these 2 images as the first and last frame and the AI created this video for us. Now combining these tricks to create content for your products will definitely increase your conversion rate and increase your sales. Now don't forget to subscribe and like this video and check out the link in the description to try out Creatify. Remember that you can go viral and level up your game whenever you want. Just make sure it's sooner rather than later because everyone else will catch up.